Hiya, I am critiquing. Why has this stopped? There we go, look. I like the little Google image. Anyway, sorry, I'm reviewing littlepinkcasa.blogspot.co.uk. Um, okay, first impressions. It looks like there's quite a lot going on when you first look at it, but I think that's just because you've got the background, like the page width, and then these things are bigger. Then you've got these two separate navigation bars. The header sticks out, and then you've got this like overlapping header, and then as well you've got the like polka dot background and things. Yeah. So okay, the shabby blogs little badge thing. I guess that's part of your theme, but I would probably move that to the bottom. I'm not sure if it's the background, maybe. If it was the background, I would probably change your background because the background doesn't really fit with the like widths you've set for your blog anyway. You could probably just look for like a nice pink polka dot background, and then you wouldn't have the like shabby blogs badge thing. Um, and then you've got like this big white gap as well. Um, yeah, you could probably remove this white gap at the top. Or actually, it probably wouldn't look too bad if it was wider than your header or the same width as your header. But because like the header image sticks out, I would probably change it. The header's nice. I would probably remove the pin it button on hover. Um, the the pink writing here is a bit hard to read because you've got this writing, Little and Casa. It's like you can't really see through the writing, but on the pink one, you've got like the opacity set lower so you can see the pattern through the font. It makes it a bit harder to read, and it looks a bit weird because this font looks normal, like you can't see through it, and then you can with the middle one, so it just looks a bit weird. But I mean, your header's really nice, and I think the flower background thing fits in really nicely with your theme. But yeah, I don't know. I'd resize it to fit in to the white or the other way around. Okay. Your navigation bar. I like it. I like the colours. Again, it fits in like really nicely with your theme. The font is slightly hard to read. I mean, it's okay if you really look at it. It might help if you make it slightly bigger, just only like 1 or 2 points bigger, maybe. And then you've got, it's like the pink bar. If you didn't have this white like background, that would look fine because it's similar pink to your background there. But I would either make the background white to fit in with the background here, or actually it might not look so bad if it just stuck out, if it didn't stick out. I think it's just this width for this white background thing that's a bit off-putting. But yeah. So I can't really see an about page unless that's your start here page. Okay, yeah, that looks like your about page, fine. Okie doke, that's fine. You've got your two navigation bars with a gap, and the gap's fine. It just looks very blocky here with the background white and then these pink blocks. But I like your navigation buttons, they're nice. And again, your background here, it's like a little bit see-through, so you can see white and then you can see the line where the polka dot background is, and again on this side. So if you move this white background to the same like width, I think that would solve the problem on all these things. Otherwise it just looks a bit weird having that white line through the middle. Or you could just make this white, this whole thing, instead of like transparent. I'm just gonna look at your sidebar. Okay, so that links you to your about page, that's cool. I would probably get rid of the pin it button there as well, it's a bit distracting. Your headers for your sidebar are nice, I like it, and they match like the blue there, and it's very nice blue. This, you could probably make that a bit more, like look a bit better. Subscribe and download your free gift, but I can't really tell what it is, and then I have to look here to see what it is. So I'll probably put in bigger writing, like or is this? I don't know. Is that the free gift? Oh yeah, so you subscribe. So I would put like a bigger writing. I would put to get your free Mother's Prayer printable, subscribe, and then I'll put a subscribe box here, or they could click on the link. But I probably wouldn't even really notice that too much if I was looking through. Or else even on the image here, I would put at the top like a Mother's Prayer or something, so at least it's a bit more obvious what it is when you look at it straight away. And then you've got this. So yeah, I would probably combine these two basically. Top posts. I like these. I don't know, you've got these line dividers, but this one doesn't have it for some reason. I'm not sure why. But I think that's good. You've got a little picture and you've got the links, so I really like that. Follow me. Oh, that links to your picture. I would change that. Ooh, just make it an image and not clickable, because yeah, it's a bit easier. I would probably put these side by side just because I think it looks nicer, and it doesn't take up so much like of your sidebar space. And I'll probably put the YouTube one as well, unless you wanted to click on YouTube from that. But I think it looks a bit nicer having all matching ones, or you could have three and then your YouTube one underneath. You don't have Instagram either. You've got your Instagram thing here. So I'll do all the social networks that you use together, and then you could have these ones like further down, with like more in-depth pictures. Search bar, I would move to the top. Sorry, my voice is going. I would either move it into your sidebar because there's quite a bit of space there, or a little bit of space there. Sorry. Or I would just put it near the top somewhere, just so it's really easy to get to for people that want to search on your site. Where was I? There we go. So these, I guess, are like posts, links to your blog posts. That's cool, I like them. You've got the text to say what they are and the pictures, so I think that's really cool. Fashion Friday. Oh, I guess this is like a category. So these are posts, I think, and these are categories or labels, as they're called in Blogger. I would disable the pin it button from them, because if people click pin and pin them to your homepage, and then people see the pin on Pinterest and want to read what that's about, they're going to end up on your homepage and have to look through your blog to find the relevant post, which isn't really helpful. So it's better if they click through to the actual post or category and then pin from there. And I'll probably make a distinction. Like I might put these two above, put them here, And then you could have these things because you've already got your social media buttons there. Then have them, and then put another post maybe, and then put maybe your labels, and then put these with your labels. That's up to you. Just to kind of clarify the difference. So these are your labels. I like them. Really easy to see. See how many posts you've got for each one. You haven't got too many there, which is really cool. Yeah, I think they're fine. Holiday lookbook. What's that? I don't know. Maybe it's an advert. Okay, I'm gonna click it. Oh, my flash is out of date. I tried to redo that earlier. I don't know why it hasn't come up yet. Oh well, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe explain it a little bit more. Maybe put some text under the title just for people so they know what it is. Current series, Princess Bride. Okay. So I guess that's a blog series. Cool. Read my review. So I guess this is linked to a book review. I would definitely, it says a giveaway as well. I'm not sure if the giveaway is still going on, but I would definitely put here that it's a giveaway, because a giveaway is more interesting to click on than a review, unless the giveaway is finished, of course. So these are like adverts and affiliates and things. That's fine. And then you've got lots and lots of space on your sidebar. So I would, your posts, I would probably put less posts on your homepage because you've got all this space on your sidebar. And then also, if you've got anything on your footer, yeah, you see you've got a few things on your footer. Some people, it's quite a long way to scroll down, so some people might not even get to your footer. But I like this. This is cool. It's got your little badge code, archives. I'm not sure what that is. An advert, maybe. Email, that's fine. Daughter of the king. That's cool. Is your dad a king? That's really cool. Copyright. That looks fine. You could add your, like, maybe about, contact, disclosure, some other relevant links down here as well if you want. But I think your footer looks fine. It's quite long, but you do have a couple of things in there, so that's fine. I would maybe move that up here because this side's shorter than this side. Might even it up a bit, and also get your like subscription thing a bit higher up so it's quicker for people to see when they get down the bottom. And maybe you could actually put a back to the top link there as well, because as I said, it's quite long to scroll all the way up. Yes, I know, I keep saying don't, please go away. Oh. Okay, fine. Yeah, I really need to, before I do any more critiques, I need to sort that out. Okay, so I'm now just going to have a quick look down at your posts. As I said, I think you should probably change the amount of posts on your homepage so there's slightly less, because there is quite a lot, but it's up to you. I like your titles. You can tell they're a link and they fit in with your theme. You've got a little paragraph before your picture, which is cool. Okay, and this is linked to a video. Are these all linked as well? Looks like it. But that is linked to pictures. So I would probably just not put a link on these pictures. The link to like the pictures. I mean, it's up to you, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really get links to the pictures. That all looks fine. I like your little signature. I like let you ask a question, so that's like encouraging comments and things. And then you've got this here as well. I don't know why Instagram is a different colour to the others, but I like the fact it changes when you hover on it. I'd maybe just put them the same or put little icons there, like where are they? Like these ones or something. Or even you could put your email subscription thing. This looks like an advert. I would probably make a longer one, so it's the same sort of like width as your writing. Sorry. Then you've got your little share buttons. That's fine. Okay, this image is like quite a bit wider. Like your text and stuff, you've got a really big gap here, and your text is quite narrow. And then you've got some pictures that are like really wide. So I'm not sure why. Again, I would really get rid of the pin it button if you're going to have full posts on your homepage, because if people try and pin these pictures, it's just going to come to your homepage, not this post. So people are going to have to try and find the post where the pin came from, if that makes sense. So I would get rid of that. Again, I don't really know what's going on with your formatting. Your picture is really wide compared to your text, and there's this massive white gap. But yeah, I'm not sure. I would just look into that. I would probably make, like, see where this is. I would probably make your text this wide as well, just to kind of, so that you haven't got this big white space, you've just got a smaller white space, and then it kind of evens it all up a bit. Yeah, and I'd probably just reduce the amount of blog posts you've got there as well. Okay, fine. Just have a look at your navigation bar. Let's see, start here. That was your about page, wasn't it? Yeah, it's pretty good about page. I like it. Okay, that's weird. These look like links. I would probably just make them italic rather than changing the colour, because it's a bit confusing. Again, yeah, all the different colours and things are a bit confusing. I would probably, you've got bold here, I'd probably just maybe make a couple of things italic. Or if you wanted to do a colour that isn't similar to like your link colour, because it's a little bit confusing. I would probably add a few more like of your top pages or posts there as well for people to link to, and maybe even put like contact or a link to this page. I would I can't see contact on here. You've got all your links to your social media and stuff. Here we go. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. I would, where it says here, I would probably change that to your actual email and just have the email link actually have your email written on it as well. So let people, if they just want to copy and paste into an email, they can, because not everyone uses the like desktop emailing that pops up when you click the link. I would actually, sorry, going back, I would make this a bit bigger as well, because this page has quite a lot on it, and just I don't know, make it really clear that, you know, this is the email link, or even put a little contact form there or something. Okay, I'm not sure about that. Oh, okay, this links straight to your YouTube. Cool. I would, what one? This one. I would make that a link that opens in a new tab rather than or on the same tab, and this one as well. I'm guessing that's like, is this, yeah, an affiliate. Make these two open in other tabs, so like that, and then whoever clicks, they've still got your blog here. If you click straight through, they might kind of get caught up doing other stuff and like forget about your blog. If you know what I mean. So if you like anything linking inside the blog, I keep as link straight on this page, but anything that links outside the blog, even social media and stuff, I like to link open in a new tab. Um, yeah, I don't know why, just so that if they want to stay on the page they can without kind of getting caught up doing other stuff. Okay, so these are your labels.